Okay, so welcome back to mission 2. We're helping Hagrid, Hagrid, Hagrid with his garden. So we need to create a super fertilizer, and we need to create a nitrogen element with 7 protons, 7 electrons, and 7 neutrons. Sorry, let me rephrase. We need to create a nitrogen element with 7 protons, 7 electrons, and 7 neutrons. A hydrogen element with 1 proton and 1 electron, and no neutrons. And lastly, create a phosphorus element with 15 protons, 15 electrons, and 16 neutrons. Okay, so with that, we'll create the nitrogen. Next is hydrogen. Okay, lastly is phosphorus, 15, 15, 16. Phosphorus. Okay, afterwards we need to combine them together. So to combine them together, we use the compound creator, hydrogen 1 2 3, hydrogen 1. We get ammonia. Lastly, ammonia and phosphorus. Ammonia and phosphorus combine. And we get the super fertilizer. We use it on the tree vines. We go out. Then we need to show the super fertilizer, which is this. Then we use it on the tree vine. Okay? If it's not enough, we'll do more. So if you do it in batches like that, or in one shot like that, it will not work, okay? So please remember to do it separately. So we have hydrogen and nitrogen now. So we get more phosphorus. Okay? So let's get ammonia, phosphorus, and then we'll do more. Okay? And we'll go out and then use them. Okay. And if it's high enough, it will send a message, thanks for helping my garden, and we'll move on to the next portion, mission 3. Okay, so our goal here is to actually fix the sinkhole. So we start at this area, and we are supposed to fix the sinkhole. But before that, we have a reading comprehension quiz. So our task is to complete the repair using green terracotta blocks. We start at that coordinate, and then we move east. So to repair, our line must be exactly 6 blocks long, 3 blocks wide, including the starting block. So we have some comprehension questions. What's the required material? We need to use what? The green terracotta blocks. What's the designated starting coordinate for the agent? Our designated starting coordinate is -1, 722, 79, and 765. And the exact length in blocks of the repair line is actually 16 blocks long. So Let's reiterate again. We'll start here, exactly here. Origin will start here. Okay, and we need to use this block. So let's get started. But first, we have done head Hedrid, Hedrid a favor, so we'll get some protection. Again, equip them. Okay. So what's the answer? Answer is what? Is it green terracotta, lime terracotta, or emerald? So let's just say we click the wrong one. We have this incorrect. Please try again until we get the right one. Okay. So let's move on. We need to now fill this up, and we will be teleport to the next base if it's correct. So summon our agent here. So press C, start coding. We need agent teleport to player. So TP, and we need to turn this direction. Turned left. Okay, and now that we're done, we can start coding. So we can make a simple code. Let's go players. Drag this over here, and then we maybe call this fill. Okay, agent. We use this place or move on, so it allows me to actually place blocks as it moves, and when you give it blocks. So agent what? Agent set block item, and this one will change it to green terracotta. Green terracotta. Which one is it? So it's the second one in this case. Okay, and then give it 64 blocks. We can pull this up or just write 64. So move forward by how many blocks? For the first block now, so move forward by 16 minus 1, okay, which is 15. So we can do agent, move forward by 15 blocks. So this means that we move forward by 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way until 15. Then we move where? We move to the left, we move back for how many blocks? 15. We move right afterwards once, then we move forward for 15, and then we move up 1. So then we can fill up the whole thing nicely. So let's give it a try, okay? So move forward by 15, move right by 1. Move forward by 15. So in that case, we'll move backwards by 15, so move forward, okay? And lastly, we move forward by 15, and then we move up by 1. So let's give it a try, okay? So we'll type fill. Is it facing correct direction? If yes, then we'll type fill, and it should start building. Okay, so it's a thanks to Fast from fixing a few, and our next mission is to create a wizard tower and get netherite sword as a reward.